Good afternoon. Let's just give it like 2 minutes, yeah, for others to come in, and then we will start by then. All right. All right. So I guess let's have a start, guys. Yes. So good afternoon, everyone. Happy Sunday. Um, I hope everyone had a good weekend. Yes. So for today, we're gonna be having the continuation of free trading lessons. So this is gonna be again basics. This is perfect for those who are starting, as a beginner, right? Yes. Good afternoon, Gail. Yeah. Good afternoon. Yes, so this is gonna be perfect for beginners, and obviously a better understanding for those who are in advance. What type of traders are there in the market. You know, if you have any problem, you can type it down in the comments. If you have been trading for like past 3 months or 6 months, and still at this point of time, you cannot figure out what shall I do? Am I a day trader? Am I a scalper? Am I a swing trader? Those kind of setups. So you can like comment it down below. I myself had that problem when I started out. Okay, so let me share my screen from here. Okay, so we have the types of traders, different type of traders. So what I mean by that is how do they perform. So first off, we have the day traders. So I just wrote down the intraday and then the scalping below the day traders because they do belong in daytime type of trader. It's just that the difference between the two is the intraday. um you can they are trading for like couple of hours in the day, 1 or 2. But scalping on the other hand is, it's different thing. Okay, so day traders, guys, let me add that in here. Okay, so they are trading within the day. All right, so within the day, but I want you to remember this. um this is, ideal during bull market, sometimes, um accumulation. But during the bear market, what we're seeing right now, we have some day type of trading that goes past 24 hours. So for example, I enter a trade right now 4 p.m. Okay, we had the trading plan proper, everything, but the market is slow. Let's say, yeah, slow, it's not moving, it's taking time. And sometimes the time can go from 8 hours, still the trade is going on. 12 hours, still the trade is going on past 24 hours, you know, just because I had this mistake before, um, thinking that, oh, I'm going to practice day trading. And then my trade should not be more than 24 hours, let's say, right? So what I'll do, even though the trading plan is not, properly followed, just because we hit the 24-hour, just the 24-hour period, then I'll close the trade just because of it. So, okay, do not do it like that. Focus on your trading plan. So, with that said, know your market. So, if you are in a bear market, there will be times that yes, it will go past 24 hours for the day traders. Now, for the intradays, okay, they are the guys who, sometimes their trade goes from 30 minutes to 1 hour. Sometimes it goes to 4 hour. It can take up to 8 hour session. So, miss, is this them trading the whole 8 hour? Not exactly. Meaning, like what I said earlier. Like, let's say we put in a trade right now, 4 p.m., and let's say the take profit or stop loss got hit around 11 p.m. Yeah. So, those kind of sessions or period of time. So, intradays, um, what can we expect? How many trades, in a day can we see? So, in intradays, guys, you can see like one or two type of trades. Okay, try trade setup depends with the market conditions. Okay, so now let's go on into scalping. What's the difference between the scalping and in the intraday? Scalping, on the other hand, um, their trades can go from seconds, literally seconds, get in, get out. I had that trade before. Just a moment like this, it drop or it pump. So just second and then I'm out. So seconds to minute to maximum. Personally, my maximum limit when I scalp is 30 minutes. Anything above that is gonna be quite tiring for me. Yeah. So hello, Lynch. Yes. So right here, Miss, how many trades does scalping this? Because, oh, it's just like 30 minutes. So perhaps we can do like 30 minutes. Yeah, my mindset before was similar like that as well. But this is the thing. Um, I'll be trading like 20, 30 trades a day. Crazy, right? 20, 30 trades a day. Literally in and out of the market. But I guess that practice has helped me develop my scalping um, skill. But let me tell you now, as I have my own scalping strategy, I don't take like before, like, oh, 10 trades, 15 trades a day, 30 trades a day. I used to have that, like literally in and out. But now just one good trade, one good scalping trade in the day. I'm done. So one or two or three like that, done. So 1 to 3 trades a day. I'm telling you, I'm done. So in a period of time, Miss, do you like have this certain period of time of trading? Um, Let me tell you, I have a certain period of watching the chart. Yeah. But in terms of the market moving, that we cannot control. So that is why if you have been, watching my my live, when I do live charting, I will always have lots of alerts, like alert, 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 like that. So we don't have to be on the chart 24 hours, because that will break the rule of us, or the purpose of us going into trading. Why did we went into trading? To have hold of our time, not us getting hold, by trading. So yeah, in trading you don't literally have to like watch the market like 24 hours, unless of course you're a beginner. Okay, so yeah, my whole time will be spent on watching chart, and that's gonna be in a certain period of the day, certain 1 to 2 hours. Then all that you just have to do is wait for the setup or wait for the entry to play. That's it. Okay. So swing traders. Let's talk about swing traders. So these are the type of traders that their trades, okay, minimum, it goes 3 days and it can last 2 weeks. So, if we were talking about the trades in here, number of trades, this is per day, one or two, 1 to 3. The difference between the swing traders now is that in a monthly setup, you can say, or roughly, they will be having in bull market, mm, good 4 to 5 setups, and yeah, in bear market, similar. Yeah, but so it ranges around average of 5 trades a month. That is actually a lot, nah. That's average. So, but this is the thing. There I guess you now are asking, oh, how about their profit? Is gonna be like the same as the intraday? Not equal, not so. Okay, so in the day trader setup, yes, it is quick, but at the same time, the by the margin. Okay, it also always correlates with the margin. So let's say it moves like 1%. So that's your gain. But with the swing traders, their one move, or like one trade, their full trade can go for like 10 or like 15% per one trade. So you can see the difference between the profit, um, um, take is bigger. So yes, they're trading like so less in a month, but the equivalent of profit. Okay, like talking about profit, sometimes swing traders have bigger. And at the same time, of course, with those big uh, profits, again, since they are trading 5 trades a month only, okay, average 5 trades, they're gonna be using big margin. Okay, big margin. So it can be like 100K per trade, like this per trade, 100K. And but on the day trading, okay, you can play around um 2K per trade all the way till 10K. Okay, that is up to you. This is just an average. So can you guys like see the difference? Yeah. So this is just the minimum when we talk about swing trading. It can go to like $500 or like $300 per trade. And then again, when the profit hit, okay, it's gonna be big as well. So that's the difference now, okay, guys? Day traders short, it's active, day traders are active. Swing traders, on the other hand, are same time, okay, we're watching charts, but it's not as active as the day traders, okay? So now the yeah, the position traders, these are the guys who are, in other words, we call investors. Okay, so investors, they just look at the chart right now. They just want to buy in. Okay, I want to put in like, let's say, 500K on Bitcoin this month. Okay, so let's say July 2 today, and I want to sell it by the end of December or this year, or it can be after a year. So can you guys see the difference now? They don't, they all are traders, but in a different category in terms of time, holding, Okay, all of that. So this, guys, it's like, if you have heard about stocks, so you just like buy in. This is what we call the long term, okay, for the position traders. All right, so let me see in the comments if you have questions. Yeah, so good afternoon. Yes, Crypto MD. Hello, hello, Mark. Nikki Shaw. Yes, hello. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so where is this one? Day traders. Just a moment, guys. I cannot see my. Just a moment. Yes. All right. So now I guess you guys are wondering. All right. I guess you guys are wondering. Um. Where do I fit in? Yeah. Where? Or perhaps you're like, no, I want to be intraday. I want to be scalper. I want to do swing. Okay, so this is the thing that I want you to be aware, okay, is this. Yes, they are really nice, they are ideal, but we have to be realistic. I remember that time when it was pandemic, everyone were home. So with that said, you guys have the time to focus it. I remember that. I have lots of students also who are, but now the world is what going fast again, right? Not everyone is available whole day, or at least like certain amount of hours per day. So let's say you have a work or you have school, right? Or you have exams, that can happen. So does doing intraday will, fit in on what you're doing? Do you have the time to put in like 4 hour, like let's say watching the charts for like 2 to 4 hours, yeah, in a day? Or are you like working like 5 to 6 day in a week, and you can only watch the chart, just like browsing it in the middle of the day, but not literally like thinking so much of what is happening. Are you going to take a trade now or not? So you have to factor in the your lifestyle. So let me put that in. Okay. So ask yourself, is this going to fit my lifestyle? Okay, so we have different categories. So you guys can start, for beginners especially. You can start swing trading. It's a little bit slow. Or day trading, let's say, if you have the time. But scalping, not yet. Unless, of course, you want to take the risk. That's up to you. But yeah, I recommend swing trading. It will just take some time, just by but around this practice you're gonna be develop your patience. So it's not a bad thing, okay? It's a win-win situation. So lifestyle, and then second thing is this. um how do I put this in? What was that? Let's just put in personality. Okay, what's my personality? We have to ask that. Do you really know who you are? Okay, let me say that again. Do you really know who you are? It's funny because when I started trading, I didn't knew that my patience is this much only. Okay, then my discipline is this much only, and what was the other thing that I cannot, or you can say that I am impatient, and I cannot. My process of taking a loss, I want you guys to note everything down that is happening in your trading journey. Note it down. When I do a loss, okay, or when my trade is, got lost, what do you do? Do you like take time, recover from it, like be sad from it? Yeah? Are you emotional? Or the moment you get lost, you analyzes what's wrong, what happened, and are you going to fight against the market, or are you going to accept what happened and just evolve yourself? There's a lot of things going on to, when we talk about this. So one thing also that I'd like to add is I want you to ask yourself when you hold a trade is, are you comfortable of holding a trade for a long period of time, or are you more comfortable in holding like in and out, in and out, in and out? Yeah. So ask yourself that. So once you have these two, okay, just these two for now. Let's say let's do a math. Let's say impatient, and then um let's say you have a time for the day, like even like 2 hours of the day, or let's say night time. Okay, you can put in. Then I can tell you, you can do day trade, like intraday, or either scalping. But if you have the patience, and at the same time you are busy in the day or in a week, then please try swing. Okay? Please try swing. So, Miss, what about if I'm impatient and then busy? Impatient and then busy. So, you have to make a time, or you have to manage your time by then. I don't think we all have 24 hours in the day, right? So, like Sunday right now, Saturday, there will be like 2 to 4 hour at least in a week of your time to practice, because if you are impatient, please do by the scalping or day trading. Okay. And yeah, that's it. So this is your what do you call this, solution, problem solution. So try to analyze that. And this is the thing, when you would do by this is gonna be your practice now, or like experimentation, you can say. It's not gonna be like, oh, in just a week I'll know that, oh, I am a swing trader, or after a month, let's say, or let's say, yeah, after like 3 days or like 2 weeks from now, you can say, oh, intraday is for me, intraday is for me. But then let's say after 3 weeks, or a month, you know, a month and two, you're having a hard time with it. That can happen. So let me tell you this. Um, do swing trading for now for 1 week. I don't want you to jump in during your swing trading experimentation of doing intraday or scalping. Do swing trading for 1 week, and like note down what happened. Then the next week, do it again. Okay? Do this for consecutive 3 weeks. And then just note down everything. Now, I want you to take a week off. Just turn off from trading. I know you'll be like, oh my God, how yeah, especially for those who really wants to learn trading, right? But it's part of it. But the purpose of this is I want you to shut off that swing trading mindset now. Okay, I understand, because for true 3 weeks long, that's almost like 21 months, it will be a habit by then. Yeah, it doesn't matter if you have a lot of loss, it's fine. Note it down. But after you shut off a week, or let's say you did it for like 5 days, 3 days only, then you are ready to do the intraday and scalping. Do it, do it by then. So a week again, note down what happened. Do it for 3 weeks, and see what you know what works for you best. You will feel it in you, diba? You will have that feeling that, oh, this one will work for me. All right. So you know uh, if you're asking about the trading setups, trading plan, how am I gonna do by this, Yeah, we will have those lessons continuation. Okay. All right, so that's it for this afternoon, guys. Okay, I hope that clears up your you know the what do you call this, confusion with the type of traders, how to approach it, where can you place yourself in it, right? So this is not just like a basic introduction of type of traders, but more of advice also coming from Mina. Okay, so anyway, so if you like this free trading lessons, just give it a like. Okay, that's it. And yeah, if you have friends or family who wants to learn how to do trading, yeah, just send them the link. All right. Okay, so thank you for everyone for being in here. Have a happy Sunday. Okay, and let's trade tomorrow, Monday, and perhaps tonight. Yeah. Okay, so bye bye everyone. Have a yeah, have a good day.